Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dean, and it's gonna be one of my first gameplay videos. I'm gonna do more in the future, like FNAF and like gaming, stuff like that. And I'm just excited, so let's get into this. Oh yeah, make sure to click that subscribe button too. The water rate's good. Obama's election. However, conspiracies have begun to emerge. One town in particular, Galena, is marred with conspiracies. Its upcoming election may result in the biggest conspiracies. Whatever. Birds aren't real. I'd like to see your face. Brothers, intro. Let's get a quick diagnostic check. That was a rough landing, B102. Let's run a diagnostic scan to see what we're working with. That missing propellers is going to be a problem. Our satellite imaging said it's outside the yard. Locate the gate key and require the propeller. Avoid suspicion at all costs. We cannot allow prying eyes to comprise our mission. Okay? Obviously, walk with WSD. Pick up key with E. Alright, let's go. What? That civilian is suspicious. He'll become hostile soon. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, boy? I ain't know. Alright. Coast is clear. Pick up the key. Alright. Open the gate with the key using E. Propeller installed. Fly with space. Alright, we good. Descend the shift. Agent, where are you going? You haven't finished your diagnosis. Good work. Your propeller looks to be getting level. That's the civilian in his back. Let's see who they are. This isn't good. Your civilian database has been wiped. You'll need it to recover the data yourself. First, place a nano tracker on the target by pooping on him. Oh, that's nasty.
Brother,
Second, take a picture of their face. This combination will automatically fill out your target's profile in your database. Toggle menu with tab. Poop while flying with clothes. Poop. Oh, I did it. Man, let me poop on him some more. Lose line of sight. Hide it in foliage. Access camera with C. Take pictures. I can't move it. Take pictures of target with C. Access camera. Zoom in. Dude, I can't see. What you mean? I'm taking it right in his face. Okay. Did I pull on him right? There we go. I think I had to pull him. Yeah. There we go. We learned. James L. Well, hello there, James. He's one of the big conspiracists. Keep an eye out for him. He'll be getting a visit from our agents for assault of a federal agent and attempted destruction of federal property. Great work, B102. Continue using your poop tracker to restore the civilian database. While you do that on your own time, I'll send you instructions for your first mission. Good luck out there, agent. Party pooper. These townsfolk are celebrating the anti-bird mayor. Destroyed their decorations. Why? We bird gang out there. We bird gang. Alright, wait. Okay. Bird gang. Do I pull on everybody first? Oh, yeah. Yeah, college. Oh, wait, do I? Wait, like this. Hollow about suspicion. Bro, you put a. Man, wait, how I do it? What they say again? They said, okay, I'm gonna just keep. Wait. F. Yep, F. They pull on you. F. F. There we go. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. Wait, F. Okay, F. Okay. Wait, did he lose me? Okay, I'm right here. I'm right here. Face me so I could. Wait. Bro, come here, bro. Bro, come on, bro. So, it's me again. Yup, I'm the same bird who put on. Bro, let me do it to you. Wait, how you do it again? Oh my god, my memory is too bad. Oh, see. Okay. Shit. I don't care if it's suspicious of me, bro. Oh, L-E-T. Okay, L-E-T. Let me just run you. Alright. Now, wait, she see me? Tyro Z. Okay. Doing their stuff. Wait, E, pop. Yup. Trying to, hold on. Wait, I gotta do this. Suspicion. Alright. Pop. Yup. You want to celebrate whatever? Yup. Yup. Ain't playing with y'all. Headphones. Can I use like? I want to drop a weapon on them. That's on violent. Bro, hold on. Let me read. Cause they keep suspecting me. Dang, I'm a bird. Leave me alone. You don't do this. Alright. Wait, oh, I see balloons. Yup. Wait, do I gotta pop that little boy balloon too? I hope I do. Anyways. Alright. Balloon pop. Alright. Pop them. Bro, leave me. I'm a bird. You know, since anybody who gonna do that to me, I'ma pull on y'all. Cause I'm a little bird, and y'all just wanna bully me, stuff like that. So, yup, Jasmine L. Now I have the social security number. Come on. You don't even see me no more. Oh, y'all is aggravating me. Alright, YouTube. Alright. Streamer. Tear down streamers. Dang, how much stuff y'all want me to do? Streamer. That's what I want to be. A very famous streamer. Exactly what I want to be. Okay. Hey. Little girl, let me get your ID. Hey, social security number. Okay. What the? Why are you throwing rocks at me? What? You throw rock? You randomly throw rocks at a bird? That's pretty birdist. That's bird racist. Alright, since you want to throw some at me, let me pull on you right quick. Yup. Yup. So you can't see me. Yup. Turn it off. Alright. Girl. Yup. Come on. Now let me get your social security. Coco Z. That's a stupid name. But look at me. I'm a bird. Alright. F, let me down. F. Yup. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I just convinced you. I just convinced you. Move away from me, you ugly. Dang. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna try. You aggravating. Alright, I'm a bird. Stop following me. God dang, I hate that person. I want to pull on him. I want to pull on him. If I was a bird, I would be pooping on everybody I see. I'm gonna be flying away when somebody try to pull out a switch on me though. Bro, why she keep throwing rocks at me, bro? Randomly throwing rocks at a bird. Like, dude. I got something for her though. Poop. Yup, I did that. Yup. And I did. What you gonna do about it? Yup. I'm just hiding these. Alright. Bro, who is mad at me? Man, I'ma just distract. I'm really just gonna ignore them because they is so aggravating. Where's the streamers? Where are the streamers? Bro, this game aggravating, bro. Streamers. Was that a rock? A rock? Tab until you click cats. Drop heavier items on time straight to distract them from your shenanigans. Oh yeah, that. Yup. Gallery. Why do I got so many pictures of him? I have way too much pictures of him. Buff bird, profiles, them, whoever. Oh, I got me a little head. Oh, alright. Yup. I'm gonna drip out this bird. What you, bro? Oh my god. Dude. Leave me alone, lady. Why is all y'all throwing rocks at me? What I did? What did I do? Is it because of my hat? Birds don't wear hats. Why is they so mad at me? I'm just a bird, they racist. Okay. Oh, you throwing rocks at me for no reason. Stop throwing rocks at me. Go away. God. Dang. Alright. Now what's this? Alright, what other stuff that I gotta tear down? Oh, there's some heavy weapons. Wait, am I dying? Why am I staticking? Oh Lord, I'm dying. Oh man. Let me grab it. Oh, bro. Alright. Wait, is my mission done? What else do I do? I look for some streamers and stuff like that. I only wish to expose people who spy on your kids. 855 for truth. That's a good advertisement. Make it. Wait, what do you want me to get people with these? Oh, let me just. What do they want? Oh, that. What? Giger Owl. Oh, okay. Let me just, bro. How am I supposed to drop it off? It didn't work. Oh lordy. Oh. What the? Oh no. Alright. This is. Alright, thank you. Like, oh wait, leave me alone. I hope nobody heard what I said. Oh, I'm a bird. Like, dude, freak. I'm just a bird trying to do my bird thing. Bro, drop the bucket on him. What would y'all do if a bird had randomly dropped like I don't know, a hammer, a oven, I don't know, on you? Personally, I'm throwing some rocks at the bird just like these people do. Alright. Now since you want to suspect me, I got something for you. Boom! Yup. Alright, watering can. And now let me get this girl right here, cause am I evil or something? I want to do it to the little girl instead. I want to do it to the. Let me get this. Dude, oh my god, y'all so aggravating in this game, bro. Dang. I gotta wait for this. Alright. Give me this. Alright, you wanna suspect me too? Alright. I got just something for. What? Okay, hold on. That must have been a bug. That must have been a bug. Alright, yep. Cause I was finna say, hard hat. Those billboards are giving birds a bad name. Paint them over. Alright, I will, boss. Okay, I mean, sure, I'll wear it, I guess. I like the circus hat more, but it's hard. Bad reputation. Wait, so what do I get? Oh, these. A paint. Oh my god, you guys are so aggravating. Dang! Okay, I'm a bird. Jesus Christ. Who cares? Alright, what a bad billboards at? Where is this? Neon City? Oh, well, never mind. Okay, that's it. I only wish to vandalize. Yup. Poop. Yes. Deface. Yeah, stop it. Get up. Whatever. Destroy all fake birds. Protect the people. Oh, that's dark. A picture of hanging a bird. That's honestly just. I kind of see that. I don't even see that. Like, I see that pretty dark. I ain't gonna lie. But alright, let me just get. Wait, what? Turn on sticky. No, leave me alone. Anyways, what? Let me get this and go away, bro. Oh, dang. Let's get this and go ahead. Destroy all fake birds. It won't let me do it. Wait. Hello. Alright. Get ready, billboard. Do I use this? Why won't they let me do it anymore? I'm trying to do it, but you won't let me. Vandal. Bro, which ones do I need? Cause no, I don't. No, I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't want. No. God, why does it keep popping up?
Okay, well that's it. Strangely surprised, buddy.
Strangely surprised.
Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this game we designed. If you guys really want to see it, let us know. And please.
Alright, what's good? Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm back recording, and they finally let me vandalize it. So let's just get into this. Continue this game. Oh yeah, let me cut this off. There you go. Now it's off. Alright. There we go. That girl must be blind off. Bro, why are you suspecting me? I'm a bird. Okay, I'm a bird. People don't just look at a bird and be like, is that a robot? Is that a... Dude! Oh my... Y'all is so rude. I don't even care about y'all. I'm out. Where is, oh, at least there's some streams. Anyways, look at this. Where's another billboard at? I think it's, yeah, there it goes. Fly, fly, fly up, fly up. Flamingo hat. Oh, bad. I'm gonna be drifting. These flop beds make the town look too happy. Poop on them. Oh, yeah. Poop. Yo. How many times did I say yup in this video? Oh yeah, I am still pretty spiffy. Let me see if I can hit this. 360 no scope. I said 360 no scope. Oh my god, no. Freak. Wait, what you said, dude? Flower beds making a town look happy. Poop on them and ruin them. Yup, alright, bet. What? Dude, try it. Let me poop. What the I'm just flying around as a bird and you suspect me of being a whatever. That's pretty, bro. That the people in this game are actually so unrealistic, bro. Like, where's you even at? I didn't even do nothing. So turn around, do whatever you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, but do something, okay? Oh my god, just keep being him and that other girl. And you gonna watch me pulling these flowers? Go away, for the love of God. Who is even suspecting me? Dang, y'all niggas. Oh, I said a bad word. I said the N word. I mean, I'm black. I can say it. But my bad, y'all. YouTube might not like that, and people might not like that. I mean, streamers say that, Carson, whatever. But yeah. Still, my bad, y'all. Especially if I have some probably like white viewers, I don't know. Boom, come on, boom. Poop, poop, poop. Yup! There we go. Now, what's some other I could poop on? I don't even need to go down there for him. I could just fly around. Alright, wait, can my camera help me scan things? Where else is poop? I mean, where else is those those things where I gotta poop on? Hey, bro. Where's more? Wait, right here? Yeah, right here. I want to pop these balloons. Make the town look too colorful. Poop, 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 and poop. Oh, dude! No, I can't die, I can't die. No. I got too much things on my hands. Alright. Take down posters. I bet. Do not want to die. Take down that. Yup. Hate this town. Cause they always wanna hit a bird! Bro, I just appeared and you already wanna throw rocks at me. Like all of you could run out of money. I hate this city. This is my least favorite. Bro, who is suspecting me? I'm not doing nothing. Bro, let me just let me. Next person or whatever I see, I don't care. I don't even care. I'm dropping this straight on your head and I'm gone. Alright. So go down. What is this? 2 minute pops in. Kid, shut up, kid. What? Oh my god, it's always him! God. Stupid idiots. Where's the other person so I can hurry up and get out of this stupid city, bro? There it is. What? What am I doing wrong? That doesn't seem like birdish. We need to ensure the mayor's propaganda hasn't leaked onto the internet. Knock down the town folks' tablets and inspect. Steal and inspect tablets. Okay, I can do that. Right after this dude right here leaves me alone. Whoever is even locked onto me. Alright, wait, I gotta get my new hat. Always gotta wear something new. Oh, now I'm America! Alright. Okay, wait, what's it? Yeah, they said, I don't even know. Oh, okay. I gotta steal the tablet.
Huh?
I need a tablet. Bro, what? Dude, I'm just trying to... I'm about to drop some on you, hey. Hold on, what's there to drop this? Give me a tablet, give me a tablet. Give me that. Yup, yeah. Give it. Go. Yes. Oh, eat this. I love you so much, baby. You are such a hottie. I know where you live too. I'm calling the police. Understandable, man. I'll do the same thing. Now let me get this so I can drop it on somebody's head and steal the phone. And I see your targets. Hey, stupid. Hey, give me your tablet. Bro, who is locked onto me? Bro, let me just drop this on your head. Give me your tablet. Give me your tablet, please. Oh my god. Bro, this game is so hard. This game is hard because the people are dumb. I'm not even raging. It's just like, it's not common sense. Like, come on, dang. I mean, I would get more mad if a bird was flying in my face, but I'm just saying. Okay, bird. Give me your phone! Give me the Give me your goddamn. Bro. How am I gonna get their phone? Give me the phone. Watering can. And drop! Give me. Hi Emily, I really like you and you're really cute. Want to go on a date? Ew, no. Oh, bro, I feel bad. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'll get your social security number. I feel bad for you, bro. My bad, dude. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, I see. That's a nice name. What the? Dude! Stupid game. This game makes me so mad. This is will it be enough to... Why do you want me to find hot dogs too? I'm really just looking for people's phone. There's somebody else. The wrong thing. What? Give me your phone, Alex. I want to check what you be doing. I'll probably find some bad stuff. If you know what I mean, where some people are sick. Some people are just sick. Hey baby, ready for tonight? Shoot. Excuse me? Son, come home now. Alright. Wait, that's the end of my mission? Okay. I still gotta find hot dogs. Hot dogs. Can I use the same ones? No. Hot e-dogs, hot e-dogs, hot e-dogs, hot e-dogs. Wait, what they said? You said what? A bird doesn't carry the guitar. Wait, you want me to pull on him? Let me poop! Let me poop! God, I hate y'all in this game. I absolutely hate you guys so much. You. Girl. I gotta pull you. Okay, I'm a bird, dang. Ah, very good. Coco. Bro, just let me. Okay, thank you. Walk away, please. You stank anyway. Sorry. Come and get me. Where is that? Where's the girl I pooped on? Where's the girl I pooped on? You, I hate you so much. Poop. 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 Face me, come on. Come on and face me. Face me so I can take a... Oh my god, y'all are so complicated. Yep, that's me. I did it right. I did it right. I did it right. I'm gonna do it to one more person. Dude say, yeah. I guess that's it. Alright. I did it. I did what y'all want. What's my next mission? I gotta still find hot dogs? Alright. I'll find some more hot dogs. Brr, I don't know why I'm making random noises. Alright. Zoop. Take a picture. Bet. Oh, okay. I thought she still saw me. Sorry for a job. Can I take a picture? Are you? Got it. I just took a picture of like more than 3 people. What do you want me to do? Are conspiracists? What's conspiracists? How do I know what it comes to serious is? I already pooped on her. I guess I'm gonna just walk. I'm gonna just fly around until I see. Oh, you're a conspiracy theorist. Or did I already take it into consideration? Poop on you. Yeah, I already did. Bro, go away! Stupid. And where's some more hot dogs? There's a conspiracy. My bad, Ma. Alright. Picture. There we go. Unicorn hat. This is your final move. The townsfolk has finished setting up for the mayor's speech. Use your past skills to cause ultimate chaos in the city. This mayor's speech must be interrupted. Alright. Wait, what? Cause ultimate chaos. Bet. Chaos. 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 Yeah. Wait, this? Bruh. Oh, I finished the game. Oh, bro, I wish it would have lasted longer. Alright. W. W for real. I finished the game. I don't really like credits like that, so I could sit here and I could just speed up the video, so I'll do that right now. Thank you for playing. Oh, I finished the game. Let's go. Where's my mouse? Alright, YouTube. That was the first gameplay video finished. Tell me if I like missed anything in this game, or if y'all want any suggestions in the comments. Like for that free roam game, whatever y'all want me to play, I try out. Anyways, I'll see y'all another time. It's OD out. That was a cringy outro, but I don't care. Alright, bye YouTube.